Welcome. In front of me I have Huawei Mate 10 Lite, and I'm going to show you how you can get this beautiful fluid wallpaper on your smartphone. But at the first I'm going to turn it off and delete, and I will show you step by step how to get it. So at the first we have to move for the Play Store, tap on search pool and type here Magic Fluids. We have to get this application from the Mad Scientist. The full name is the Magic Fluids Free Simulation and the Live Wallpaper. Let's install this app. Click open. And right now click right here, tap to set as live wallpaper and click apply. Go back to the home screen. As you can see, here we got our wallpaper. As you can see, it is a little bit laggy, but we can change it when we enter the application one more time. Click here, tap set as live wallpaper, go for the settings, tap to accept and go for the animation. And here we can change the paint quality, and I can recommend you to set it up on the medium. Simulation resolution you can leave it on the medium, and also we can change the shadow quality for the medium. Then go back and tap to apply, and right now it is going to work more smoothly. And yeah, so that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.